Hi folks, we've got templates here. I'm not going to go through all of them, but there's stacks of them. So you can see all the loved up ones. And you can see all the different videos there for different social media types. Here we're going to add the videos, so if you go onto the new project, you can see the one down below that for existing projects, and then you add your video clips, photos in there. You can see me running through it now. So you can skip to the parts of the video, this tutorial, to where you want to. So you can see the timeline, you can trim it, cut and split it. So you can see that on the menu bar down there at the bottom. So you can trim it off to the left or right, and you can split it. I'm just telling you to tap on the trim and you can trim it. Most video editing software is the same. Some just have cut, some don't have trim, and they all run on the same principles. You have a timeline. So I'm just pushing highlighted the video on the timeline, and I've just moved it along with the finger, a finger. So in this part I'm doing my own voice recording. Hi, this is my video clip. That wasn't me running across the screen. So you're putting a picture in a picture. This is a green screen, so you can have it as a subscribe. You can get these off the internet. If you've got a screen recorder, you might be able to get one from somewhere else, off of YouTube or somewhere. Just make sure it's not copyrighted. I get mine off of Canva. I'm a pro member of Canva. I'm not affiliated in any way. Frame rate and ratio, backgrounds. This is where you can select the size for where you're pushing the video out to. It's got a colour in there. Next to it, you've got the background. Now we're selecting the background, different types of background. Adding stickers. Oh, you got shed loads of stickers here. Emojis, social media stuff. And the chap in the top left down there clapping. I must have liked that page. I'm lingering there a bit, but as I said, you can skip to other stuff. And there you've got like dissolving, like the mouse putting lipstick on. Sometimes there's too many of them. There's better quality ones they would have had. You would have stayed more on there. Okay, so we're going to go to filters. Oh, that poor young lady's got her finger on fire. So we're changing the scene to black and white. the different filters, colour filters. Some of these are pro. I'm just using the free bits of software. This is a beginner's guide, so you can add effects. All of this video's made up of keyframes where I've got stuff popping out from the menu bar and stuff like that, so you can do all of this. Show you where the keyframes are in this application. So you just scroll along the bottom to where the keyframes are on the bottom timeline. There you can see you've got the pro stuff on there as well. You've got a redo, undo as well. Don't know if you've noticed that it's got speed on there. So you just move along the speed to speed that you want, and it speeds things up. It's pretty obvious really. If you click the double ticks on the left hand side, it will apply it to all. Any trouble with speed on video editing applications, it affects any music or words you've got on there. Now we're working with text, so we're going to change the colours. So you've got animations in there, stuff like that. So all the different text types. I find I normally find a favourite and work with that. Yeah, so you can move the size of the text. It's down in the bottom right hand corner, you can see where you can just move it along with your finger. Or you can do it with the sliders there. So there's a keyframe. So here I'm working with the borders. Go click on the keyframe. I'm emphasising this so that you get to know how to use them. So then you tap on the keyframe again. Sometimes some applications automatically put in. So there it is running, moving the keyframe, the text around. You can use this for other stuff as well. Now we're adding music. So he's all excited because the chap's got his music. So I just moved it with my finger. You can now crop the clip. So you can cut it and do all sorts like that. You can trim it. So you can add fades in. So this is picture in picture. Who's that idiot there? The old fossil or old dinosaur. So you can add an animation in there. I'm blending it in. I'm looking at my tablet, so if I'm looking the wrong way, you know why that is. It's because I'm looking at a tablet and talking to you at the same time. So here we're exporting the video. You can save it to social media. I selected don't allow. You can send it to email as well.